The deadline for Obamacare is upon us, and it's not just insurance companies that are hoping to line their pockets with higher premiums. Con artists are looking to cash in on the confusion surrounding the law. The health insurance marketplace was set up by the Affordable Care Act as a new way to find health care coverage by comparing rates and plans online. But 17 states opted to manage their own unique exchange with a different URL, and this could cause confusion for consumers. While shopping for coverage, you may run into one of the many fake exchanges that are already up and running on the internet. Scam artists got an early jump on national health care reform. Since last year, they've been calling, faxing, and emailing people across the country claiming to be with Medicare, Obamacare, or some agency of the federal government. Oftentimes, the caller will say they need to verify personal information like a social security number or bank account. Sometimes callers will convince victims that they need to buy an insurance card for eligibility. A sucker is born every minute, as they say, so don't be one of them. Here's how you can protect yourself. The health insurance marketplace doesn't open until October 1st. You can't buy coverage until then. Don't trust anyone promising a special price or a limited time offer, or to hurry because spots are limited. The rates in the exchange have been pre-approved, and they won't change during the initial enrollment period of October 1st to March 31st, 2014. There is no card associated with healthcare reform. There is no new Medicare card, and you do not have to update any personal information. Don't respond to a cold call of any kind, especially one that asks for personal information or money. Now, seniors can be the most susceptible to these fraudsters and their intimidating tactics, but even the most savvy among us can fall a victim to a con artist posing as a navigator. Under Obamacare, navigators are trained to guide through the process of finding coverage through the exchanges, and they will ask for personal information. There may be the opportunity for con artists posing as navigators to access this information, or actual navigators might ask you for more personal information than they need to recommend a plan. After all, we are dealing with a government-run program that's going to be sharing your information with the IRS. As part of this Navigator program, some nonprofit groups plan to make door-to-door outreach. Because of the time constraints placed on the program, the Department of Health and Human Services will not be doing background checks on Navigator applicants. This is a shocking revelation that could attract many identity thieves to the position. The odds are already against you when you hand over your personal information to a solicitor that shows up at your doorstep, especially when they're from the government and they're here to help. So it's up to you to be a savvy shopper and protect your personal information. Reporting for the INFOWARS Nightly News, I'm McAdoo.
The Alex Jones channel is the official page of the InfoWar, but don't miss what's happening on our other channels. The Info Warrior, with the week's best videos. Prison Planet Live, where Paul Joseph Watson gives his expert analysis. And keep up with the rest of the InfoWars crew on our other pages. All of our videos are available to repost for educational purposes. See the sidebar of the Alex Jones channel for the subscription links. And remember, you can always find our videos in the highest quality by becoming a member of PrisonPlanet.tv.